Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now. Clear the lens and verify the frame is secure so optics behave predictably. Next, place the magnifier roughly 30 to 50 centimeters from your eyes because focal length dictates sharpness. Once positioned, power the unit and choose a low zoom and about 50% brightness to avoid glare. This prevents chasing focus. Make sure stabilization is off for manual alignment. These steps get you a usable image immediately, and they reduce adjustments later. Now refine the image. Increase zoom slowly until text or detail fills the screen but avoid pixelation because too much magnification amplifies blur. Then tweak contrast and color temperature to sharpen edges and reduce fatigue. Warmer tones often ease long use. Once you see a crisp image, engage focus lock or use manual fine focus, which prevents hunting when you move. If you're holding the device, turn on stabilization to steady the view. Together, these adjustments keep the picture stable and readable. Finish by saving a user preset so you return to exact zoom, contrast, and brightness quickly. If you encounter flicker or visual artifacts, first cycle power and inspect cables or battery charge because intermittent power often causes glitches. For persistent blurring, clean the lens again, check for firmware updates, and recalibrate the focus mechanism. Dust or outdated firmware commonly degrades performance. If adjustments fail, switch to a lower zoom and contact support with device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.